Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning friends, how are you all today? I hope you are all fine, so we can follow this meeting or this English meeting. Jadi untuk hari ini kita akan melanjutkan chapter kita, yaitu ke chapter yang ketiga. We goes to the third chapter here, and the third chapter is about family members. Today we will do in speaking class. Jadi untuk hari ini, untuk pertemuan kali ini, kita akan atau teman-teman akan menjelaskan tentang family members. Family members is anggota keluarga ya. Jadi what will you do is you will describe about your own family members. Jadi apa yang akan sampean utarakan di speaking nanti adalah segala sesuatu tentang anggota keluarga. Jadi teman-teman nanti akan menjelaskan tentang anggota keluarganya masing-masing. Before we go to speaking class, I will explain a little bit about family members here. Sebelum kita lanjut ke teman-teman yang akan speaking tentang family members, saya akan menjelaskan sedikit ya tentang what will you say about family members here. The first is mention family members. What will you do is mention family members. Jadi pertama yang akan teman-teman harus katakan in speaking class here adalah menyebutkan how many members are in your family. Jadi menyebutkan anggota keluarganya. Misalnya dalam satu keluarga ini ada empat anggota, lalu dimentionkan, disebutkan siapa saja, ayah, ibu misalnya, terus ada adik, terus dan saya sendiri gitu misalnya ya. Jadi mention, menyebutkan anggota keluarganya siapa saja, and then after that you will describe the member of the family. Jadi setelah menyebutkan siapa-siapanya saja, lanjut ke mendeskripsikan satu persatu anggota keluarganya. Itu mendeskripsikannya bagaimana? Misalnya anggota keluarga yang pertama adalah ayah, gitu ya. Ayah saya namanya bla 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 bla. Dia berasal dari bla 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 bla. Terus menyebutkan ciri-cirinya, pekerjaannya, dan yang lain sebagainya, seperti itu. Nanti lanjut ke ibu, setelah ayah terus menjelaskan ibu, misalnya ibu saya namanya ini, asalnya dari sini, terus pekerjaannya ini, ciri-cirinya seperti ini, seperti itu, dan seterusnya. Itu ya. Next we goes to the mention family members. Jadi in English ini adalah anggota-anggota keluarga, nama-nama anggota keluarga. Ada mother, ibu, father, ayah, ada children, anak-anak, son, kalau son ini anak laki-laki ya, kalau daughter, anak perempuan, ada sister, saudara perempuan, brother, saudara laki-laki, ada grandmother, nenek, grandfather itu kakek, grandparents, ada grandson, granddaughter, grandchild, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, cousin, husband, wife, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, and also fiancé. You can add if kalau misalnya ada yang kurang bisa ditambahi sendiri. Nah, the next I will give you the example of family members speaking here. Actually this is not speaking ya, but this is about letter ya. Di sini contoh yang saya berikan adalah bukan speaking tapi tentang ini, dalamnya ini adalah surat, tapi di dalam surat ini dia menceritakan tentang family members juga. Jadi it's okay. I will speak and read to you about this example. Dear Bubu, let me tell you about my family. There are 4 members in my family. They are my mother, my father, and my big sister. We live in United States. My mother's name is Melania. She's Indonesian and she speaks English and Indonesia. She's an Indonesian lecturer. She's short and slim. She's got long brown hair and brown eyes. My father's name is David. He's American. He's tall and a little fat. He's got short brown hair and blue eyes. He works in a bank. My sister Miranda is 14 and she loves listening to music. She listens music all the time. She's got long brown hair and green eyes like me. I've got long hair too. We've got a pet cat, Brandy. He's black and white and very friendly. Write soon and tell me about your family. Love, Mira. Nah, this is one of the example of family members here, and di sini ini adalah contoh ya, salah satu contoh tentang menjelaskan tentang family members. Jadi setelah dia menyebutkan family membersnya ada berapa, lalu dijelaskan satu persatu here. And to make you more understandable about this chapter, I will explain a little ya, untuk membuat teman-teman ini lebih jelas lagi. Saya akan potong sedikit-sedikit ya dan menjelaskannya ke teman-teman. Jadi pertama di sini adalah yang dikatakan tadi ya, yang ada di surat tadi, yang ada di contoh. Let me tell you about my family. Jadi let me tell you, izinkan saya atau biarkan saya menjelaskan tentang keluarga saya. Jadi pertama, there are 4 members in my family. Jadi ada berapa sih anggota keluarganya? Jadi di sini dia langsung menjelaskan bahwa there are 4 members in my family. Jadi di dalam keluarganya itu terdiri dari 4 anggota keluarga. Nah, next, setelah itu dia menyebutkan siapa saja anggota keluarganya. They are my mother, my father, and my big sister. Ya, jadi dia menyebutkan satu persatu anggota keluarga yang ada 4 tadi, yaitu ibu, ayah, terus ada my big sister. Big sister ini berarti artinya adalah kakak perempuan. Di sini ada 3, berarti yang satunya adalah the writer ya, berarti dia sendiri yang menjelaskan or yang menulis surat. Nah, setelah menyebutkan di sini, dia menjelaskan lagi di mana dia tinggal. We live in United States. Jadi kita tinggal di US, United States. Nanti teman-teman bisa menjelaskan di mana aslinya teman-teman di sini, karena teman-teman kan ada yang dari Pondok, ada yang Jombang, tapi Jombang daerah mana gitu ya. Jadi you can say with for example, we live in Tambak Beras, Jombang, or we live in Surabaya, we live in Lamongan, we live in Madura, and so on. Jadi seperti itu menyebutkan. Next, setelah tadi menyebutkan tinggalnya di mana, nah this is time to describe one by one about your family member, I mean. Jadi setelah menjelaskan tinggalnya di mana, baru teman-teman menjelaskan tentang satu persatu anggota keluarganya. Nah, pertama di sini di surat tadi yang dijelaskan pertama adalah my mother. Nah, jadi di kesempatan ini kita menjelaskan semuanya tentang my mother, ibu ya. Nah, di surat tadi bunyinya adalah my mother's name is Melania. Gitu ya. Jadi bisa diganti dengan nama ibu teman-teman itu siapa gitu ya. Misalnya my mother's name is Siti, or my mother's name is Lina, and so on. Lalu she's Indonesian. Jadi disebutkan ibunya ini asli dari mana, karena tadi tinggalnya mereka kan di United States ya, tapi sebenarnya asli ibunya ini dari Indonesia. Nah misalnya teman-teman tinggalnya di, misalnya kalau saya ya, ibu saya aslinya dari Surabaya gitu, tapi tinggalnya di Jombang. Itu jadi beda-beda. You can say misalnya she comes from Surabaya and she speaks Indonesia, like that. Jadi kalau teman-teman bahasanya mungkin Indonesia sama Jawa, jadi bisa dijelaskan she speaks Indonesian and Javanese gitu. Lalu menjelaskan tentang kegiatannya apa gitu ya, daily activity-nya apa. She is Indonesian lecturer. Jadi si ibu itu kerjanya sebagai dosen bahasa Indonesia gitu ya. Atau kalau misalnya ibu teman-teman seperti ibu saya misalnya ya, she is a housewife gitu. Jadi menyebutkan pekerjaannya. Dan yang terakhir adalah ini tentang describe about physical appearance-nya. Physical appearance kita sudah dapat di chapter yang sebelumnya ya teman-teman. Kita sudah belajar tentang how to describe someone gitu ya, mendeskripsikan ibunya ini bagaimana, apakah cantik, apakah putih, tinggi, langsing, dan sebagainya. Nah di sini contoh kalimatnya adalah she's short and slim. Jadi dia pendek tapi dia langsing. She's got long brown hair and brown eyes. Dia memiliki rambut yang panjang berwarna coklat dan mata yang berwarna coklat, seperti itu. Jadi mendeskripsikannya secara singkat saja. Ya, ini adalah contoh how to describe the member of the family. Ini adalah satu contoh ya, salah satu contoh untuk mendeskripsikan anggota keluarganya seperti apa. Ini masih my mother. Tadi yang selanjutnya itu ada my mother, my father. So now let's look at this next letter tadi ya. Kita lanjutkan ke tulisan suratnya tadi. Yang selanjutnya adalah dia mendeskripsikan tentang ayahnya. Jadi here my father's name is David. Nama ayah saya adalah David. He's American. Jadi asalnya dari Amerika. Nah misalnya saya ulangi lagi ya teman-teman, kalau misalnya kan tinggalnya di Indonesia semua ya, sebutkan saja daerahnya mana. Misalnya I myself ya, my mother's name is bla bla bla, he's from Jombang, something like that. Jadi langsung saja disebutkan he's from Jombang, Indonesianya bagian mana gitu. Lalu ini dia langsung menyebutkan ciri-ciri si ayahnya. He's tall and a little fat. Dia tinggi dan sedikit gemuk. He's got short brown hair and blue eyes. Dia memiliki rambut yang pendek dan mata yang biru, berwarna biru, seperti itu. Jadi sesingkat itu untuk menjelaskan atau mendeskripsikan ayahnya, about the physical appearance-nya. Lalu yang terakhir adalah he works in a bank. Jadi pekerjaannya apa? Itu. Jadi itu ya, untuk menyebutkan satu persatu atau mendeskripsikan anggota keluarganya satu persatu. Yang pertama adalah nama, lalu asalnya dari mana, terus ciri-cirinya bagaimana, dan kegiatannya apa atau pekerjaannya apa, seperti itu. Nah, next sama ya. Jadi di sini untuk tadi tulisan surat yang selanjutnya dia menjelaskan tentang my sister, big sister ya tadi ya kalau nggak salah. Jadi menjelaskan tentang kakak perempuannya. My sister Miranda is 14. Jadi langsung menyebutkan misalnya umurnya segini. And she loves listening to music. Dia suka mendengarkan musik. She listen music all the time. Selalu gitu ya, selalu suka mendengarkan musik. She's got long brown hair and green eyes like me. Dia memiliki rambut yang panjang berwarna hitam dan mata yang biru seperti saya gitu ya. Jadi ini adalah contoh speaking for today's meeting. Jadi saya harap teman-teman bisa membuat ini ya, karena untuk mendeskripsikan physical appearance-nya kita sudah dapat materi di minggu yang sebelumnya. Jadi I hope you can make your own speaking about your own family members. And now I will let you to make your own family members here. If you got any trouble or any question, you can ask to me, and I will give you about 15 minutes to make your speaking, and next you will come forward one by one to describe your own family. Jadi saya beri waktu 10-15 menit ya untuk teman-teman untuk membuat speaking tentang family members, tentang anggota keluarga yang seperti saya jelaskan tadi dan seperti contohnya tadi. Setelah itu teman-teman maju ke depan untuk presentasi about speaking for this chapter about family members. Okay, I will wait for your presentation. Okay friends, this time for you to present your presentation dealing with this chapter is about family members. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my beloved friends, I stand in front of you all. I want to tell you about my family members. But before that, I want to say thanks very much for our beautiful English teacher, Mr. Suda, has given me nice education here. About family members, my family is Bell's family. My family is my friend that I have everywhere. I feel supposed to have family like my lovely family. My family consists of 5 people. They are my father, my mother, my older brother, I, and my younger brother. My father's name is Ghazali. He is about 54 years old, and his job is a sailor. He is very calm, humble, and friendly. And then my mother is the best one. My mother's name is Umi Kulsum. She is very smart, clever. It is according to me. She is about 53 years old. His job is housewife, and she always support me more and more to become the best in every my breath when I struggle. And then my older brother's name is Chandra. He is about 30 years old. He has married now and he has a baby boy. He is my lovely friend because every I have a problem, I always help him, and then he gives me solve the problem. And then my drawing, painting, and playing music. But it is a little shy, so between my older brother and my young brother, I am the most beautiful, of course, because they are boys. I hear that all my friends about my family members. Thanks for your kind attention. Thanks for your kind attention. I'm so sorry for all of my mistakes because it is the first place. So the last thing saya wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my friends.
Morning.
Standing in front of you all, I would like to tell you about my family. There are 4 members in my family. There are my father, my mother, my grandmother, and me. My father's name is Urin Cumani. All people call my father with Urin. He is 48 years old. He is a farmer. He is a kind, hard-working, and hard-work people. He is always help me whenever I need. My mother's name is Ani Zunaria. All people call my mother with Ani. She is a housewife who manage family finance. She is kind, beautiful, patient people. And then my grandmother. My grandmother's name is Siti Asia. All people call my grandmother with Asia. She is always close to Phil. Sometimes I go to there to help her. And there are my family. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, Miss.
Let me tell you about my family. There are 5 members. There are 5 members in my family. They are my parents, my big sister, and my young sister. We live in Peterongan. We live in Peterongan. My mother's name is Siti. She is come from Peterongan. She is a housewife and she is beautiful and kind. My father's name is Ahmad. She is come from Sumbermulyo. She is tall. And kind. She works as trainer. My big sister Diva is 23. Yeah, 23, and she is now a teacher. She is like to eat like me, and she is a beautiful, calm, and understanding. My young sister Rihwa is 10 and she is now in 5th grade. She is love listening to music. She is like making a gift, and she is beautiful, understanding, and sweet. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will tell about my family. There are 4 members in my family. They are my father, my mother, my little brother, and me. Well, I will explain it one by one. Firstly, my father. His name is Hasan Basri.
Bapak Hasan.
And his big body, tall, pointed nose, brown skin, and red hair. And he
too.
Let me tell you about my family.
Yes.
There are 6 members in my family. They are my mother, my father, my young sister, and 2 my big brother. My mother we live in Mojokerto. My mother name is Nursulaiha. He is tall and fat. He is work a trader. My father name is Muhammad Ali Amar. He is tall and slim. He is already dead. My young sister name is Ida Diana Matilatu Rokba. He is tall and slim. He is still in school class second children in school. My big brother first name is Muhammad Syahri Tarari. He is tall and slim. He is already working. My big brother second name is Muhammad Fahmi Aziz. He is tall and fat. He is already working. Who my old brother work the same. They are what a project. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for talking you out. I would like to tell you about myself. I have one member family. They are my father, my mother, me, and younger brother. We live in Pekalongan, Sumba. My father name is Muhammad Ali. He is Java people. He always speak Java. He work as builder. He is tall and slim. My mother name is Sri. He is Java people. He is very slim and fat. My younger brother name is Jamal Singh. He is still free. Get out of high school. You like him. He is slim and white skin. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends. Hi. They are some members in my family. They are my father, my mother, my elder sister, and me. We live in Kampung Jombang. My father's name is Sumiati. He is a farmer. He is 43 years old. He is short and thin. He is a girl.
work as housewife. And my father's name is Sayal, and he is from Jiwa Jombang. He is tall, body, and fat, and he is black hair and petite. His work as the trader, and me, the only one is in my family. Thank you very much for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.